Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mad Engineering Lab. In this video, we will show you how you can turn an egg into a squishy ball. This experiment is relatively easy. I won't be needing my assistant Eugstein today. But first, I want to take advantage of this opportunity and ask you to subscribe to our channel, if you are enjoying our content and would like to see more. Also, please do not forget to give us thumbs up. Now and without further ado, let us begin. In order to perform this transformation, you will need an egg. Okay, this hurts. Anyway, you will also need white vinegar and a transparent flask. Start by pouring vinegar into the flask. Put enough vinegar so that you can fully submerge the egg. Next, submerge the egg in the flask and leave it. You immediately must see a reaction taking place. After 48 hours, gently remove the egg. Wash it thoroughly with water. Voila! The egg has transformed. Look how soft it is. It feels so good in your hands. It can also serve as a ball for Eugstein. Now it is crash time. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe. We also would like to know what you are going to do with your egg ball. Peace.